Good day and welcome to my class. This is Bagol, your mathematics teacher for today, and hope you will learn a lot from this lecture. So our topic for today is all about evaluating algebraic expression. You excited, class? Did you know what is algebraic expression? So let's find out. So keep watching. Our objectives for today are distinguish variables from constant using a variety of examples, evaluate algebraic expression for given values of variable, and last, appreciate the importance of evaluating algebraic expression by modeling real-life situation. So, can you define algebraic expression? Well, if you know algebraic expression, then let's tackle. An algebraic expression is a combination of terms by operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, let us have a look at the expression 5x plus 7. It is algebraic expression. Thus, we can say that 5x plus 7 is example of algebraic expression. Further illustration, I have this figure to show to you and I will explain each term. So we have 5x plus 7 which is the given above. So we all know that 5 is the coefficient, x is the variable, and 7 is the constant. But we can combine 5x, it is called a coefficient variable, and both 5x and 7 are called terms. It is an example of algebraic expression. So, you know what? You know how to identify it? So let's find out more. In mathematics class, consider letters as variables while the numbers are constant. Based on the example, how can you distinguish a constant from a variable? Hmm, for this example, can you identify what's the constant and what's the variable? I will give you 3 seconds. Okay, class, I hope you get it. Wherein 4 and 7 are both constant, while x is a variable. So we all know that 4 and 7 are cannot be changed, while x is any number and it is interchangeable. Next example, can you identify it, class? So the answer is 5x plus 3y are both variable, while 6 is a constant. Interesting. Class, a constant does not change its value and it remains same forever, while a variable on the other hand changes its value from time to time, depending on a certain equation. So let's try this. I will give you an example and I hope you will identify it. Of the following example, given x is equal to 2. Hmm, this is number 1. X squared plus 2x minus 3. How will you identify it? How will you solve it? If you can solve it, just pause the video and answer it. So let's try answering it. X squared plus 2x minus 3, which is the given above. So all we need to do is substitute x equal to 2 in the given variable. So we have 3x squared plus 2 times 2 minus 3. So simplify its equation. We have 3 times 4 plus 4 minus 3. Then do the mathematical integration. We have 3 times 4, it will be equal to 12. And 4 minus 3, it will equal to 1. So 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So we get the answer. In 3x squared plus 2x minus 3, if x is equal to 2, the answer will be 13. Did you get it? I'll give you another example. 2x minus 3 squared, since we substitute 2 to the x, then simplify the equation. Minus 3, it will be equal to negative 1. And bring down the square. Now, we have negative 1 times negative 1. What would be the answer? it will be 1 because any number is negative and it is squared, it equal to positive. Did you get it? Then let's try another one. X minus 11. So substitute the given number. 2 times 2 is 2 times 2 minus 11. We have 2 times 2, it will be equal to 4 and bring down negative 11. 4 minus 11 would be negative 7. So that's it, guys. Interesting, right? Did you follow? Do you know how to answer it? I hope you like it. So let's do this activity, wherein it is entitled Submit and you will know my value. In algebra expression, we'll wait 6x squared plus 3 when x is equal to 0, x is equal to negative 2, and x is equal to 10. So, solve class. So just pause the video if you really like to answer. So, the equation, we have x times 0 squared plus 3. So we all know that any number multiplied by 0 will equal to 0. So 0 plus 3. Then simplify it. We have passive 3. So when x is equal to 0 in the expression 6x squared plus 3, then it must be equal to 3. So another one will be 6 squared plus 3 when x is equal to negative 2. So the given number, we have 6 negative 2 squared plus 3. Then simplify, so we have 6 times 4 since negative 2 times negative 2 will be equal to positive 4. 6 times 4 plus 3. And it will be equal to 24 plus 3. The answer will be 27. In the equation x squared plus 3 when x is equal to negative 2, the answer will be 27. Last number would be when x is equal to 10. Substitute the number, you have x times 10 squared plus 3. Simplify, times 10 will be 100. Then 6 times 100 plus 3. We have the answer 603. What did you observe in our activity? Can you do it well? Can you really solve it in your own? And hope you like it. So, I'll give you the basic rules in evaluating algebra expression. First, substitute the given number to the variable. And second, perform the integrate operation by following the rules of PEMDAS. So we all know that this the parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, since we established the two objectives of the lesson, so let's objective the last part. It is appreciate the importance of evaluating algebra expression by modeling in real-life situations. So this time, I will give you a word problem related to a real-life situation. Number 1. 6 more than 7 times a number is 34. Find the number. Can you identify it? Can you solve the given equation? Then let's find out. Solution. Let x be the number which is the unknown, since we didn't know what is the number. So we have 7x plus 6 equal to 4. How do I get it? So just read carefully the word problem. It is stated that 6 more than 7 times a number. So we have 7 times a number. So we have 7x. Then 6 more than will be plus 6. And it is given in the equation that it will be equal to 34. So we just put up equal to 34. Then simplify the equation. In simplifying factors, I do the two techniques which is applicable, but you can try one technique only. 7 plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 34 minus 6. So in this equation, I subtract negative 6 from both sides to cancel out the negative 6, the positive 6. Sorry. Then the answer will be 7x plus 28, or you can do the same in both sides. We have 7x transfers 6 to other side, it will be negative 6. So 7x equal to 34 minus 6. Then it will be equal to 7x minus 28. Different formula but the same answer. Then divide 7 both sides, we can get the x. So we have 7x divided by 7 and 28 divided by 7. And x is equal to 4. So we get the answer. 6 more than 7 times the number is 34. And the number will be x is equal to 4. So how do we know that it is the right answer? Let's check it. 7x plus 6 is equal to 34. Then substitute the given answer, which is 4. So 7 times 4 plus 6 is equal to 34. Simplify. 7 times 4 will be equal to 28. Plus 6 is it will be equal to 34. Then simplify again. 28 plus 6 is equal to 34. 34 is equal to 34. So it is the right answer. Did you get it, class? Can you solve it? Then let's try another one. The difference between 3 times a number and 5 is 16. Find the number. Can you solve it this time? If you can, then solve it. If you cannot, then watch me answer it. Solution. Let x be the number which is the unknown. The same formula in the previous one. We have 3x minus 5 is equal to 16. How do I get it? Stated that the difference between 3 times a number and 5 is 16. So 3 times a number, so we have 3x. And 5, since it stated that the difference will be negative 5. And it is also stated that it will be equal to 16. So bring down equals to 16. Then simplify. X minus 5 equal to 16. Do the indication. Again, this time I'll do the two techniques and I use it, but you can use one. 3x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 16 plus 1. So this time I add 5 both sides to cancel out the negative 5 in the x side. Or you can do the 3x is equal to 16, which is 16 plus 5, which in you only transfer 5. Since it is negative 5, so if you're going to transfer it, change the sign, it will be positive 1. Simplify, is equal to 21. Then divide both sides to get the value of x. We have 3x divided by 3 is equal to 21 divided by 3. Then the answer will be x is equal to 7. Did you get it? Then let's check it. X minus 5 is equal to 16. Then substitute the value, which is 7. 3 times 7 minus 5 will be equal to 16. Then 3 times 7 is 21 minus 5 is equal to 16. 16 is equal to 6. So we get the right answer. Does it make it harder? Then I'll give you another one. The sum of twice a number and 12 is 80. Can you solve it this time? Let's find out. Solution. Let x be the number which is unknown. So we have 2x plus 12 is equal to 80 since the sum of twice it is 2x. And a number will be plus 12 because it is stated that a number and 12, so plus 12. And it's stated that it will be equal to 80. So let's put up equals 80. So simplify the given equation. 2x plus 12 equal to 80. So you can subtract 12 from x, or so and you can also transfer it to the other side. The answer will be 2x minus 68. Then divide both sides by 2 to get the x. 2x divided by 2 is equal to 68 divided by 2. Answer B, x is equal to 34. Check your answer. 2x plus 12 is equal to 80. So 2 times 34 plus 12 is equal to 80. So 2 times 34 will be 68. Then add 12. Then we get 80 is equal to 80. So we got the right answer. In class, this part, we already tackled all the objectives of this lesson. And on this point, I wanted to write the importance of evaluating algebra expression by modeling in real-life expression in an easy form and submit it on the video description. And thank you so much for listening and watching my video presentation. And hope you like it, and I hope that you really enjoyed about it. God bless you all, and see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.